Sunrise Boss Production.
Right, see it, catch me a catch the fire for the Ackee no peeps. So fire I go catch. Yeah, man. Pop some cold funny. See the banana then so. Fully active. What going on now, my beautiful fans? Welcome back to our next nice video. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, me there in my yard here now. Wanna cook me dinner, you see it? Yeah, man, in a real life. You know, so I just go share it with you, so you know what I mean? Remember, me say I cook my dinner, you know what I mean? So I cook it my style, yeah, man. So just like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Remember to tell a friend. Also, if you tell a friend, you see it. In the kitchen, I'm going to deal with some ackee and saltfish with yam and plant and cocoa and banana with dumpling. You see it. That I'm going to deal with. You don't know how outdoor style in the car room and the cold stove. So Sunrise Boss, I do it. Yeah, man. So I go cook my dinner, you know, and fire them ketchup already. The pot upon the fire, me soon make you see that. So just stay tuned, as I say. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Me I go make you see what go on, you know, in the kitchen. You see it, outdoor kitchen. Yeah, man. At the back part of my yard, me just there. I deal with my thing. Normal pre. Alright. Yeah, so the scene I take place, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Me carrying, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, see it there? The charcoal ketchup already and a burn red. Yeah, man, fully active. Nothing there in the pot, you know, just some water there in the pot. So as soon as start boil up now, put in the food them. And me have some little kitty here. Be nice, them and make meow, meow. Yeah, man, my little kitty. See it over here, so now the cold stove this. So me I go catch up this one, I can put on the. Yeah, some more cook the ackee and the saltfish over here, some more cook the yam and banana and dumpling in a real life. You see it? Yeah, man. Charcoal. No, so me I work with a zinc. Yeah, me buy a zinc and a zinc a cola for $500. Which for me they are St. Mary, you know what I mean? Me know it's enough places it must dearer. But which part me there St. Mary, $5 for a zinc. And a zinc can cook at least 4 to 5 pot. All depends, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life. So just subscribe to the channel. Over here, say you know. You know, say we have to ackee them, pick them from one day, yeah, and clean them out and put in the fridge. So they just need to go in some boiling water, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, that's a good look. So see that we have the ackee. And see it as saltfish. This I go with it. You know what I mean? But this is only black pepper I find in my season pan. Cause you know saying in my season pan them are when I use. Like for instance, when I season my meat or anything, any leftover season I just throw it in this. And then when I go season up back anything again, I use season from out of this first. Cause right now I know say you have some people with more time. A beer half a garlic, half a onion, piece of scallion, and I have all about in the fridge. Get a small container and just put them in there. You see it whenever you don't season up your meat, you know, so you put them in this, and whenever you go season up again, you get back your same container and start season from out of that. If you want no more fresh season, you go in the fridge, which part you store them. Yeah, but all time I season out of this. So see that use my leftover onion cause it good. Yes, them use it. So that's what I tell about. Yeah, man. And I realize. So you know we have a banana, we have a cocoa, we have a yam, we have a flour, and we have a cornmeal. So it's a good look. So I'm gonna go through you now and start. The first thing I think I'm gonna start needing my flour. So I'm gonna need up my flour and all of them things there. So now I go see that. Just stay tuned. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel, Ackee and Saltfish. Yeah, man, now they say thing them on. Alright, See it, catch me a catch the fire for the ackee, you know, peeps. So fire will catch already, you just take out some charcoal, put over there so. And you know say catch fire I go catch. Coal a bun ready. Yeah. So yeah, so you know if you catch up, pop some coal pan it. Use it. So we deal with it, you know, peeps. Yeah, one pack some coal. So all of them I go catch up. So when that catch up, I put on a ackee. See this, peeps? Remember the flour and the cornmeal when they have? See it there? Little cornmeal left, the flour gone. So you know, some just throw the flour in this with little water and the cornmeal and the salt and knead. See it there? That's why you have to tune in to my channel and watch all of my videos. So you see next video me need the flour. You know what I mean? My dinner me I cook me hungry, so I just run through. Yeah man, so soon as the pot start boil up, this can go in. You see it? Then I can start peel off my cocoa and yam and planting. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So I go on. Alright. Ackee fire ketchup too, you know. Yeah man, ackee fire ketchup, peeps. So you know, so I can put on the ackee and this. And if this a boil up yet. This a boil up. Alright, like the steam a come out there. Yeah man, can line up and put in the flour, you know, peeps. Pot a boil up. Put in dumpling them, you know. Dumpling in a pot. See the peeps, dumpling in a pot. Fire burn red. Look over here, so this ketchup here now too, so I can put on the ackee. It go and boil. Alright, put the pan the fire now. I wait for the ackee. So I'm going to peel off all of them stuff here now, peeps. Peel off the yam and cocoa and banana and just have them in the water. You know what I mean? That I'm going to deal with you now. I want to see the pot and over there, so. At that time, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, I yam this, man, peel off. They have the yam here knife. Just put on in the kitchen, you see, look, it's still good. You have to just cut off them round. So when you buy your yam and you put it on and you see, say, pan the end, some things come, just spear it off, because it's good. So I go through, peel me yam. I like how dinosaur yam look still, peeps. But hopefully it tastes good in my pot. Can't remember me I deal with what? My dinner. Yeah man. So white yam, just make sure say clip cut to right way.
Go off.
No, more fun. Yeah man, them were good, man. I've got clear them. Just catching.
See me thinking I see you, that's why I'm sure.
Yeah. Peeps. I tell us I'm not love how the yam look done so. Maybe I'm not get a good piece or time. Yeah, this good. Yeah. See it, yeah. All of this come like it. Let me see. Alright, see there. Cut him out. Yes, peeps. So more time you can pair your food, you know. Don't bother waste it. You see some part look like they're not good. Just pair it, man. And man, I yam them ready for your pot. Good old cocoa. And man, some ackee and saltfish with some boiled food. And nothing normal. So you know, some of us I go through, peel up all of them and cut them up and put them in a pot. So when I'm ready to put them in a pot, I go make you see, you know. But otherwise, I go through here now and just peel what I peel. When I put them in the pot, I make you see what I put in a pot. I have the banana left and I have the plant left. So just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. There I go and peel off the food then. Yes, peeps eater. Banana this I peel off, you know. You know, so everything in a pot already, you know, I put it in the yam and the put in all that stuff, the yam and the plant and the cocoa seed banana, peel it, I just bust it up, travel to the side with one eye split, see it there, use your finger and turn it, you know, so when you're done you have to go use some cooking oil and wash off your finger and wash off all of your hands so it's not sticky, you see it. You just go so clean him off. Yeah, man. You don't know we like put piece of skin in our pot. Over here, so we have to. Yeah, man. See it there? Skin, banana. So you know, so everything there in this pot already, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, I just throw a little salt in it and stir it. Just little salt. So the food and cook with a little flavor there. Yeah, stir it. Yeah, man, everything done cooking all that. When everything done cooking all that, a food time. Yeah, man, cover it in real life. Yeah, man. Active. Yeah, so you know, this a bubble, this ready for ackee. Yeah, man. That ready for ackee, you know, peeps. See ackee them, but throw them out in our pot. The ackee, take up the pot cover. I have to skill, you know. We have video and I cook at the same time. Throw any ackee in our pot. See that? So I will left them now, make them boil. Put in the saltfish in it too. And make the saltfish boil with them, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Now the two pot end up on the fire, you know, people. See this? Yeah, man. The ackee this with the saltfish. Okay, so you know, so this a pot here bubble. Food them are cooked. It's a good look. Yeah, man. Yam, banana, cocoa, and dumpling. Plant, ackee, and saltfish. Yeah, man, see there. The ackee then cook, you see it? Yeah, man, make them boil and cook, peeps. Yeah man, easy as that. So you know say food them a cook, so it's a good look. Subscribe to the channel. All them a good a done cooking up peeps. Yeah man. So your pot a bubble. Look where on the pot. All of my food there on the pot. When if you there in a pot. Yeah man, this done cooking now, you know. Yeah man. Done so you know say we have the ackee and the saltfish. So right now I take out the saltfish. You see it and put in some fresh water for scale so I can get to scale it off and wash it off, take out the salt. So you know that's how we do it. Put in some clean water right there so. And look right there so kitty. And then I left the chef. See you next one peeps. Kitty. You know left the chef, eh? Kitty. I take out the next piece. Cause this ackee, you know say ackee have to go fry up now some cooking oil. Yeah man, take out the next piece. Ackee I go fry up now some cooking oil peeps with some onion, garlic, scallion and thyme and then something there. Yeah man. So soon take off this. Pretty though. Yeah man, so instead I have one fire working, we work two fire. So sunrise ever go done cook quick. Yeah man. See the piece. Banana don't cook. As I said earlier on, you can take off this pot here. See the banana then soon start mash up. This side planting. And for the planting cook, you know say food cook or planting tough, you know. And look there. Right, I'll hot, you know. I saltfish that, you know, with the onion and then you have fry up in a piece. Yo, sense sweet. Yeah man, so now fry up the ackee in this. You know, now fry up some onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, okra. Yeah man. So as soon as they fry up, you know, now throw in the ackee. See ackee, yeah? Saltfish tail that, you know, soon take you out. But see ackee, yeah? Ackee boil and cook. So as soon as them are done fry up, you know, so now go throw in the ackee peeps. Put some black pepper on here now. Yeah man, you have to put black pepper on your ackee, you know, please. See, pretty. Yeah man, the dumpling pot this, you know. Take out some water. Cool rice. I might take out some more pot soup. You see me just put in a little more black pepper in this, a little fish all-purpose seasoning, and that's it, you see it? Yeah man, put in some fish seasoning in this, a little more black pepper, and you know say I hit that. Yep. I can't saltfish I then dumpling but I can actually dumpling up in nah like that's I want dumpling and a cheese cup. Me take on the done try banana. When I eat banana I like crushy. So if the banana no soft it don't make sense please. I like crush my banana. Down them know what I do when them at work. Banana soft and nice. Say cocoa can crush too. Man, so when you eat them food they're nice when I crush them. Only dumpling you can't crush peas. You see they crush the rest of them. Yo, it's nice, just do the right thing. Like up the video, share, subscribe. Remember to tell a friend. I only need to come try some of them food. You know, like, I'm going to eat all of this tonight, peeps. But you see, through me craving, I don't want the camera there for me too long, because I'm going to go in wicked. When you see them food, you have to eat them when it's hot. So when it's cold, you know the vibes again. So you want to go subscribe to the channel.